and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to make my own flaxseed gel. I'm going to show you guys how to create your own flaxseed gel, and then of course how to apply it and what the benefits of flaxseed gel is for your hair. There are a number of reasons why flax seeds are healthy for your hair. One is it is rich in vitamin E, which is great for both skin and hair health. The nutrients promote the health of the scalp by reducing free radical damage. It helps improve circulation in the head, thus promoting hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to be great for the skin and hair as they keep them nourished, and it prevents hair from drying, especially during the winters. Some studies has also shown that omega-3 may help prevent hair loss and thinning, as well as dry scalp and even dandruff. Flax seeds also help to reduce the brittleness. The nutrients in flax seeds may prevent hair breakage by improving the elasticity of the hair strand. So by applying flaxseed gel may improve the quality of your hair. Flax seeds act on both hair and scalp due to the presence of the nourishing nutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, manganese, selenium and copper. These nutrients boost hair growth and help them to grow stronger and longer. So making flaxseed gel, I'm basically just going to start with hot water. So I've turned up the stove to high and I'm basically just waiting for the water to boil, and then I'm going to add, and the proportion is all up to you. So I've added about 2 cups of flax seeds, and then I'm just going to keep on stirring. You keep on stirring until it gets to a very thick consistency. You'll see the bubbles are getting bigger and you will actually start seeing the gel. So as you can see, this consistency is very gel-like, it's very thick. This means that it is basically ready to be drained. Now once my gel is ready, I am going to take a glass bowl, I'll take my strainer, and I'm basically going to pour in the flaxseed gel with the flax seeds through the strainer. Now I'm going to try to get as much gel out as possible, so I am going to push it a tiny bit. Now if you want, you are more than welcome to add any of your favorite oils in this mixture as well. So if you've got a lavender oil or maybe a lemon oil or basically anything, even peppermint oil, you can add that as well. It is just to make it smell a little bit better. It doesn't really have a smell to it in the first place, but I do know that there is a lot of people that's very sensitive to smell. So if you want to, you can add any essential oils as well. And this is basically how it looks like. It is very snotty, jelly. It's a very weird consistency. And to think that that is going to go onto your head, it is definitely a gel texture, but it feels more like snot and slime to me. But anyways, so now I'm basically getting ready to apply the gel on my dry hair. I just brushed out my hair and it looks terrible and disgusting, but it's gonna go onto my hair. So let's get started. Now I'm going to start by my scalp, so I'm just going to add the gel by my scalp, and I'm slowly going to move all the way down to my ends. Now I'm definitely making sure that my ends are literally drenched in it. It's a very weird feeling when it gets onto your hair, but it's okay. Now once my hair are completely drenched in this flaxseed, I'm just going to put my hair up and I'm going to leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and just wash it out. So this is basically how my hair looks after I've washed and dried it. Now it is very soft, it is very silky, and it's got a very nice natural shine to it. It was almost as if I had deep conditioned my hair because it was very manageable. My hair actually listened to me, I didn't battle with it, and there's almost no frizz, and my hair actually looks very straight, which does not happen often. I am actually very happy with the results. It's a very nice shine. I can't get over the shine, and it looks absolutely beautiful and very silky and shiny. And the best part of all is it feels nourished and it feels moisturized without weighing my hair down. Guys, that is basically it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and then I will see you in my next video. Bye!